To create an invoice using GoDaddy's websites and marketing platform, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to My Products. Once in your websites and marketing dashboard, select Manage next to your website, then navigate to Commerce and click on Invoices in the left sidebar. Choose from pre-designed templates and add your business information. GoDaddy automatically populates your business details from your account settings. Input your client's contact information and add line items with descriptions, quantities, rates, and payment terms. Set due dates to ensure timely payment. Customize your invoice by uploading your business logo, adjusting colors and fonts to match your brand, and adding payment instructions and terms and conditions. Preview your invoice before sending, then send it directly via email from the platform. Track delivery and payment status, and set up automatic reminders to ensure timely payments. To create invoices using GoDaddy Bookkeeping, start by navigating to GoDaddy Bookkeeping from your main account dashboard. Once in the Bookkeeping dashboard, select Invoices from the main menu to access the invoice management system. Use the Invoice Wizard to create professional invoices. The wizard guides you through importing client data from existing records and adding products or services from your catalog. Apply discounts or promotions as needed to customize your invoices for different clients and situations. Enable online payments through GoDaddy Payments to accept credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers, making it easy for clients to pay their invoices. Set up recurring billing for regular clients to automate invoice creation and payment collection, streamlining your financial management process. GoDaddy Bookkeeping provides comprehensive tools for invoice creation, payment processing, and financial tracking, making it an ideal solution for streamlined business financial management.